Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if your iPhone isn't fast charging after an iOS update, you're not alone. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can fix fast charging not working on iOS phones. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, you have to make sure you're using an Apple certified charger and cable. Third-party or uncertified accessories may not support fast charging properly. After that, go ahead and simply tap on settings. Inside here, go ahead and select battery. Now tap on battery health and charging. And just like that, if your battery maximum capacity is below 80, fast charging may not work effectively. In that case, consider getting your battery replaced to restore optimal charging. Also, you can go ahead and try cleaning the charging port. Dust and debris in the charging port can prevent fast charging. So, after you have done that, you can disable optimized battery charging. iOS has an optimized battery charging feature that slows charging to reduce battery wears. So inside settings, tap on battery health and charging, and just like that, simply toggle off optimized battery charging. And after that, go ahead and simply restart your iPhone. A simple restart can fix software glitches, so do that. Once you restart your iPhone, you can go ahead and simply check for iOS updates. Tap on General, then tap on Software Updates, and make sure you have the latest iOS version of the iPhone. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.